Hello, my amazing one. Once again, we have just brought you another lovely and fantastic question. Here it is. We are asked to find the value of x satisfying x over 2 minus 1 over 3 less than 2x over 5 plus 1 over 6. Now, what is the first thing to be done in this kind of question? Watch to the end. Now, we have something like this. Collect our like term. To collect like term, we are not having x all over 2. We are bringing 2x over 5 to meet x over 2. There's an invisible plus over here. It becomes negative 2x over 5. Then already we have less than, right? We bring it down here. So we have 1 over 6. So also this also come and meet this one. So this sign, which is minus, becomes positive 1 over 3. Now what do? We look for the LCM of before the inequality sign of less than and after the less than sign. Okay, now before the less than sign, we have the LCM to be what? 5. LCM of 2 and 5 to be what? To be 10. To be 10. To be 10. Now 2 in 10 give us 5. 5 multiply x give us 5x. So minus 5 in 10 is 2. 2 times 4x, that give us 2 times 2x, that give us 4x. Okay, so less than LCM of 6 and 3 is what? Is 6. 6 in 6 give us 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Then plus 6 in 3 give us 2. 2 times 1 is 2. Therefore, we have 5x. Okay, 5x minus 4x is going to give us 5x minus 4x is going to give us what? X over 10. So less than 1 plus 2 give us 3 over 6. Now we solve for that. I say x over 10 less than 3 goes here 1. 3 in 6 is 2. So we have reduced it to be 1 over 2. Since we're looking for x, not 10 over x, so we have to clear this 10. To clear the 10, we multiply both sides by 10. By what? By 10. So that we now have x over 10 times 10 less than 1 over 2 times 10. So this 10, take away this 10. You are left with x less than 2 here 1. 2 in 10 is 5. Less than 1 times 5. 1 times 5. That gives us 5. And this becomes our final answer. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And subscribe to follow for more. Thanks for watching. See you next video. Bye-bye.